Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome. So in this video we're going to be looking at the idea of using target notes to improve our improvising. So if you've not heard of this term before, target notes basically involves aiming for a certain note of the chord that we're about to move to. So this can help give your improvising a little bit more structure and also help you come up with more interesting phrases. So let's have a look at how this works in practice. So let's say we're trying to improvise over G minor 7 to C7, so a simple 2-5 sequence. And we're going to pick a target note to aim for when we hit our C7 chord, so on the first beat of that C7. To start with, we're going to pick the third, so the E. So whatever we play, we are always aiming to hit that E when we land on the C7 chord. So I'm just going to play for a bit, and I'm going to be trying to land on that E with whatever phrase I play. Okay? So by kind of almost like putting this sort of restriction on yourself, it forces you to actually be more creative with the phrases you're coming up with. Because I find what often happens if you just playing over a couple of chords, quite often you end up either playing a bit aimlessly or just playing the same thing that you always play. So imposing this kind of, I guess, structure, but also a bit of restriction, helps you to, forces you to be a bit more creative. So let's try again with a different target note. So this time we're going to pick, let's pick the flat 9, so a nice interesting note. So same thing, I'm just going to play some more phrases, but now I'm going to try and hit that flat 9 on the first measure of the C7 every time. Okay? So now we're going to add one more chord at the end. So we're going to add the 1 chord, so an F major 7, and we're going to pick a target note for that. So now we're going to add 2 target notes. So we'll pick, let's use the 3rd again for our C7, and then we'll use the 5th for our F major 7. So so I'll just play some more, and this time aiming for the E on the C7 and aiming for the C on the F major 7. So that's the basic idea of it. And the best way to practice doing this is like we've done here. Start with just 2 chords, and for 5-10 minutes just work on phrases with one specific target note, and then for another 5-10 minutes pick a different target note, and you may find that you come up with new phrases that you wouldn't necessarily have come up with if you were just playing like you normally play. I hope that's been helpful for someone. Please let me know if you enjoyed this lesson, or if you didn't. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.